Welcome to our channel, where we explore natural remedies for various health concerns. In today's video, we will dive into the world of hormone balancing drinks. These drinks are not only delicious but packed with ingredients that support liver health and help balance hormonal levels. So, let's get started with our first hormone balancing drink. Our first hormone balancing drink is a soothing green tea elixir. Green tea is rich in antioxidants and contains compounds that can help balance hormones. It also supports liver function, which is crucial for maintaining hormonal balance. Sip on this delightful elixir to kickstart your hormone balancing journey. Next on our list is the famous golden milk latte. This warm and comforting drink is made with turmeric, which possesses anti-inflammatory properties and supports liver detoxification. The added spices like cinnamon and ginger further contribute to hormonal balance. Pour yourself a cup of this golden elixir and enjoy a moment of relaxation and hormone equilibrium. Our third hormone balancing drink is the maca hormone booster. Maca root, a natural adaptogen, helps regulate hormonal imbalances and reduces symptoms such as fatigue and mood swings. Alongside maca, this drink incorporates other hormone-friendly ingredients like almond milk and honey. Savor this tasty beverage and let it work its hormonal magic. The next drink on our hormone balancing journey is the beetroot detox tonic. Beetroots are rich in nutrients and antioxidants that support liver health and promote detoxification. This tonic also incorporates lemon and ginger, which aid in digestion and hormonal regulation. Treat yourself to this vibrant drink and experience the benefits firsthand. Our fifth hormone balancing drink is the chia seed hormone elixir. Chia seeds are a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, which play a role in hormonal balance. Combined with hormone-supporting ingredients like flaxseed and almond milk, this elixir provides a wonderful way to nurture your hormones and liver health. Take a sip and let the goodness soak in. And there you have it. 5 hormone balancing drinks that can support liver health and promote hormonal balance. Incorporating these delicious elixirs into your daily routine can make a significant difference in your overall well-being. Remember, a harmonious hormonal balance is vital for a healthy and happy life. Stay tuned for more natural remedies on our channel. Like, share, and subscribe for regular updates. Cheers to your hormonal and liver health.